Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: plugin installed, permissions granted, and a basic feed prepared. Once done, open Ditty and create a new ticker. Choose the default template to avoid extra complexity. You should add 3-5 headlines first so the rotation behaves predictably. Make sure to set link targets and optional timestamps now so you don't interrupt the flow later. This front-loaded work speeds configuration and prevents backtracking when we modify styles and timing next. Now you'll refine behavior. Set speed and loop options so each headline is readable. Slow it a touch if you show long lines. Once that's set, tweak visual rules, font size, color contrast, and padding so the ticker integrates with your layout. You'll also map each headline to its URL and test click behavior on desktop and mobile. Make sure the tap area is large enough. After testing, save a version backup so you can revert if a change breaks layout. Finish by embedding the Ditty shortcode or widget where you want the ticker to appear and preview the live site. Once live, enable any recommended caching and check for JavaScript conflicts by disabling other plugins briefly. If items misalign, adjust CSS selectors or increase z-index values to bring the ticker forward. If headlines don't update, clear caches and reload. If that fails, restore the backup you saved earlier. One quick troubleshooting tip follows to resolve most display errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.